this Vyashti should be surrendered to the Samashti. The small should be surrendered to big. The part should be surrendered to whole. When I say surrendered, so surrendered means that which is serving the big, which is sacrificing for the big, which is surrendering, sacrificing and serving. 3 S are required. Unless I am there for whole, there is no joy in the life. In world, there is more poverty of love than the poverty of money. There is more poverty of respect than poverty of houses. There is more poverty of attention than the poverty of food. Keeping all these things in our mind, Chinmay Mission of South Africa is launching a project whose name is Nourish to Flourish, N2F. This project is based on every day we want to feed the Narayan in the form of people around who are less privileged, who are less fortunate, who sometimes don't have 2 squares meals a day. A lot of children are there, a lot of people are there. And we thought of having at least 400 to 500 such people every day to feed from the mission. Outer things are just meant to love the inner God of each person here. And this is what is called Nourish to Flourish. So unless we nourish others, our heart can't flourish. But for this project to flourish, first we have to nourish this project itself. And that will require your ahuti, your contribution. Your swaha is required. At least your sankalp is required. Don't sit behind. Life is short. Life is for giving. Life is for serving. Life is for offering. When we give more than what we take, that is called the joy of living. Do something. If you can't do anything, at least pray for us and pray to the God that let Him give us the purity and strength to serve Him. Serving is most difficult because serving requires I have to identify with something where I'm not going to get anything concrete, but I'll get everything divine. When I serve, I give myself and I get much more than what I have given. In the terms of happy Lord, pleased Guru, happy people around, and overall, my inner conscience which doesn't prick, so that on the last day of your life, you will have fulfillment and satisfaction that I didn't mere take, I also have given a lot. Come forward, grab the opportunity and become one with the heart of Chinmay Mission of South Africa. And that heart is pulsating. Only one beat is heard in that heart. And that beat sounds, Lord, I want to love you. Lord, I want to serve you. Lord, I want to give you. Lord, I want to be yours. Hear this beat. Get in rhythm with that beat and make your life such a fragrant flower at His feet that Lord is tempted to take that flower and put close to His heart.